This video released just one day after the 5 former Memphis police officers were charged with murder in the death of Tyre Nichols, and all 5 officers are currently out of jail on bond. Our Sedona Meadows spoke with a community activist in Huntsville earlier today before the release of the video. Sedona, how is our community here in Huntsville processing this?
Kanisha, I spoke with the executive director of United Women of Color here in Huntsville, and she says she doesn't plan to watch the video as it's traumatic, but feels it's necessary for the footage to be released to the public as it provides information towards the case.
My initial thoughts are that progress, the fact that they are releasing it quickly versus having to wait years as we've done in other cases.
Angela Curry, the executive director of the nonprofit United Women of Color, says the quick release of this footage allows public access to information as it relates to public safety.
It's always tragic when we have to experience and see the death of another person unnecessarily. As a community leader, to me, we have to continue to advocate for the community to be involved and be included in the decisions on how we're policed.
Although Curry says the release footage is necessary for public information, she doesn't plan to watch it, as she says it can be traumatic.
For me, it has become overwhelming, and so I tend to not watch the videos anymore. I may see still photos, but I like to focus on the information, because the information is going to be a pathway to help us to actually create lasting change, so that we won't have another individual dying at the hands of the police that we employ.
Curry says members of the Citizens Coalition for Justice Reform, an advocacy arm of United Women of Color, are working to transform policing here in Huntsville.
We want a say in how we are policed, we want a say in how we are protected and served, and we want to reduce violent encounters for the safety of law enforcement, but also for the safety of residents.
She adds that last year the organization focused a lot on policy, research, and connecting with other organizations to help strengthen their foundation, and they'll continue to work with the legislature.
So we invite people to show up to meet their legislatures, tell them how they feel about the issues that we put them in office to represent us about.
Now, we do have the full video on our website, but we want to warn you, it may be difficult for viewers to watch.